when my parents came to Czernowitz, when we already came, because my father went there early, but I think we came at the end of 45 or beginning of 46, the city was empty. Everybody left the city and went to Romania. As soon as the Soviet army took over the city, and the borders were still not even porous. There was a chaos, so you could go anywhere. So there was an exodus en masse of Jews and of Romanians, and the city was empty. The apartments, everything was for taking. Pots were still there. Some apartments even had some food, on the stove. They just fled, in panic. Because immediately as the Soviets took over Czernowitz, they started arresting people.